Hi guys, we're trying this tonight on the food review today, Mother Hubbards. That's what we're trying. Hope this is going to be a great fish and chip shop. We've heard a lot of good things about this, and this is where we're going to go today for our food review. Please join us.
Golden fish, crispy and light, chips on the side, oh what a bite. Vinegar splash, lemon squeeze, a taste of the UK, yes please. Fish and chips, hot and fried, wrap it up, let's take a ride. Seaside breeze or city street, fish and chips just can't be beat. Crunchy joy in every bite.
Hi guys, we're doing a food review for Mother Hubbards, as you can see here guys. And yeah, I'm doing, we've got some scraps, some onion rings, yeah, scraps, and we've got onion rings, chips, mushy peas and gravy, all along there guys. So yeah, looks cool. Let's try some of the food first. Trusty knife and fork. Chips first. Not the best chips, I've had. They're okay. I rate them about 3 out of 10 really. They're not very nice really. In my opinion really. Let's try the onion ring here. Very nice, yeah, very nice coating on the onion ring there, very nice. 6 out of 10 I'd say for that, not the best onion ring, but it's okay, like that. Let's taste the fish. There's the fish guys. The fish is lovely, I'd give it 9 out of 10 really, a bit cold, but it's quite nice. Altogether I rate this about 25 out of 30, so yeah, pretty cool so far guys. So that's it for my food review. The next food review will be coming soon, and yeah, stay tuned for some more food reviews. Thank you very much, guys.